Hey everyone. The lush Amazon rainforest, a sprawling and dense expanse of biodiversity, is not only a haven for a multitude of flora and fauna, but also a fertile breeding ground of diverse myths and legends. Among the most fascinating and enigmatic figures in Amazonian folklore are the Yakuruna, mysterious water beings whose presence is widespread in the oral traditions of indigenous cultures throughout the region. Today, let's know about the enigmatic guardians of the Amazonian waters, Yakuruna. Let's start the video, but before that, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. The Yakuruna, whose name translates to water people in Quechua, are often depicted as powerful, enigmatic, and sometimes malevolent spirits that inhabit the depths of the Amazonian rivers and lakes. Many say that those who choose to traverse in the remote landscapes of this region need to always be careful about the Yakuruna, because those who meet them are often never seen again. Historically, the Yakuruna are considered both protectors and tricksters. Indigenous communities of the Amazon basin such as the Shipibo-Konibo, Ashaninka, and others have passed down stories of these beings for generations. According to legend, the Yakuruna reside in underwater cities constructed from brilliant crystalline materials. These cities are thought to be paradise, replete with unimaginable beauty and riches. The Yakuruna themselves are often described as possessing the ability to transform their appearance, typically depicted as handsome men or beautiful women when luring humans, but in their true form, they have eyes that face different directions and feet that are reversed, pointing backwards. This unique physical description clearly emphasizes their otherworldly nature and sets them apart from the human inhabitants of the Amazon. The dualistic nature of the Yakuruna as both benevolent and malevolent entities is a recurring theme in Amazonian lore. On one hand, they are believed to possess the power to heal and bestow wisdom. Shamans or traditional healers often seek the Yakuruna's guidance during ayahuasca ceremonies, a ritual involving a potent hallucinogenic brew made from local plants. These ceremonies are a profound spiritual journey where the shaman seeks to communicate with the Yakuruna to gain knowledge, heal ailments, or acquire spiritual power. The Yakuruna are seen as keepers of ancient wisdom and are revered for their deep understanding of the rainforest's medicinal plants and mystical properties. On the other hand, the Yakuruna are also feared for their ability to abduct humans. Tales abound of individuals being taken to the underwater cities where they may be kept forever or returned with altered states of mind and body. Those who return often come back as either enlightened healers or profoundly disturbed individuals, hinting at the transformative and perilous nature of their encounters. The Yakuruna's abduction stories serve as cautionary tales emphasizing the dangers of venturing too close to the water alone, of disrespecting the spirits of the river. Yakuruna at their core strive only to abduct young people and transform them into one of their own. Indigenous tales describe various methods by which people can be lured away. They will be drawn to the water's edge, and one misstep is enough for them to be taken. Then, the Yakuruna will begin to transform them. Their head and feet will be turned around so they cannot find their way back home, and they will inevitably follow the Yakuruna to their underwater city. Once there, they marry and begin their new life as a Yakuruna. The cultural significance of these beings extends beyond folklore and into the daily lives and practices of Amazonian communities. As water spirits, they symbolize the deep connection between the people and their environment, representing the belief that every aspect of nature is alive and imbued with spirit. This animistic worldview is central to many Amazonian cultures where rivers are not just waterways but are seen as living entities that must be respected and honored. Rituals and offerings are often made to appease the Yakuruna and ensure safe passage and bountiful fishing for those who dwell near the river. Despite the modernization and external influence that have increasingly encroached upon the Amazon, the legend of the Yakuruna endures. It is a symbol of the resilience of indigenous cultures and their capacity to adapt while maintaining a strong connection to their ancestral beliefs. The Yakuruna are, in the end, more than just mythical beings. They're a profound symbol of the Amazonian worldview, encapsulating the mystery, beauty, and danger of the rainforest. Through their dual roles as healers and tricksters, the Yakuruna reflect the complex relationship with indigenous people have with their environment, one that is based on respect, fear, and deep spiritual connection. Well, that's it for today. I hope you're liking Nerdy's discoveries. Can't wait for the next video to learn more and be fascinated about. See you on the next. Bye.